This is T-Tablet 5G, and today I would like to show a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. So in the beginning, let's explore the shooting modes that are available to us, starting with the Pro mode, which allows you to manually adjust the most important camera properties such as ISO value, white balance, shutter speed, and exposure. So if you're not satisfied with however the camera treats those properties automatically and you would like to get a specific result out of your photo, you can absolutely go for it. Set whatever ISO value you would like to have, set the white balance as warm or as cold as you wish. You can also change the shutter speed and exposure. So that's how you do that if you are into that thing. Another little option you might have not noticed or simply missed is the HDR mode. And well, once in the HDR, your photos will occupy a little more storage space, but you'll get better colors and overall the better picture quality. So the colors will be more vibrant, more lively, and I just recommend you always shoot images with the HDR on, switched on, especially if you're filming or taking a photo of something outdoors. And the last little tip that I have prepared for you is another interesting mode that is called live focus. And what this mode is good for, it's pretty much regular photo mode, but this little prompt at the top tells you when whatever object you are trying to film is in focus, and then you can go ahead and take a picture. So if you are a novice in the camera world and you're not sure when something is in focus or not, you can use this little live focus mode to help you. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.